from Bratayley.
You guessed chicken. Yes. It was dog food. Oh no. Don't spill it.
Wait, I really ate dog food? It's time for
Bratayley.
I think you got a little on your face.
She's saving that for later.
No, not for later. Right now.
Wait, really? You guys ate all the peeps? I was gonna show them one.
Show who won?
Them!
Oh, you did.
Okay.
Mainly because I'm cooler than you. Hey, look, there's a wasp.
Yeah, no, I just wanted that.
Go pet it, Amy.
No.
You want to take it and it can be your pet wasp? No? We can call him George. You can hug him and squeeze him.
Ew.
Don't squeeze him. Why is doing you?
Use it. Let's color the other leg dark. And this color.
What's going on back there?
You like bananas?
Minecraft characters.
Still coloring them?
Yeah.
You guys didn't finish last
Caleb
night?
got mad at me for making him a survivor guy.
Because you made him without a shirt on?
Yeah, and then I got mad. So then I had to erase it, and then I put his shirt ripped, and then I said, please let me put the belly button. Because she likes the belly buttons, she told me. Yeah.
She did.
Yeah.
It's belly button, huh?
And then Caleb started playing with his belly button.
I went, who's a good belly button? Who's a good belly button?
But his shirt was off.
It was not off.
Hayley likes the air quotes all of a sudden.
Yeah. I took his shirt off one time because he was hot. Hot.
Because he's hot.
Ew, no.
You called your brother hot.
Oh, shush.
Awkward.
Have we decided on where we're going?
No, but you have something all over your face. Can you get that off of you?
Probably.
I saw the writing.
What's it say?
Shush.
What's it say?
I'm not reading it.
Okay.
Okay, pick it up and read it.
This probably says something about your brother being hot.
It is in my feet.
We are going to,
Hey! Really?
Shush! No, let me read
Really?
it. Let me read it. No.
The pool.
Let me read it. We are going to
Six Flags!
stop. We are going to where 10-year-old kids drown.
Is that where you drown? Or almost drown?
No.
You didn't drown.
I almost drowned.
And we're not
We are going to where 10-year-olds drown.
Read it to Hayley.
Can we go on roller coasters?
Yes, that's how we're going here.
No, Annie, we
Where
can't.
are we going? Six Flags!
Alright, so the big guys are going to go ride a ride, and Hayley probably isn't tall enough, so we're going to go find something for you, right?
Oh, I remember
Yeah, you like the pirate ship.
that. The little one.
Well, can we do the big one this time? Let's watch it for a second and see if you can decide. See how high it goes, okay?
Oh, I'm not doing it again.
Oh, I think you can do it. It'll tickle your belly.
No, I don't want to do it.
No, are you sure?
No. It's gonna get faster.
Let's just watch. Come on, let's go over here and watch.
I don't want to do that.
You're tall enough. Do you want to do it?
No, I'm not doing
No? Are you sure?
So we're not gonna do the big pirate ship.
Nope.
But Mommy, you remember how I have a little swing?
Yeah, you do.
And it scares my belly when I get up, right?
The swing at our house?
Mm-hmm.
That one gets your belly? So that one would really get your belly?
That's why I don't want to ride on it.
You don't like rides, do you?
I do for a little one.
Little rides, but we're gonna find you some little ones. Do you, Pinky, promise you'll try one? Where's your pinky?
But not one of those.
Not a big one? Was it fun?
So fun.
So fun.
We're gonna go see if I'm tall enough to ride that.
Haley, you want to ride that one? That one?
Wait, did she ride it?
No.
Why?
She didn't want to.
Too scary?
Yep. Couldn't talk her into it. Woo!
Alright, we're going up.
Try to spin it. There you go.
Yeah.
Bye. You did an awesome job. What do you want to do next?
The plane.
All right, let's go and get in line for the planes.
That was fun.
That was fun. I'm glad you had fun. Are you scared of this one? Or are you ready? What do you think? A little scared?
Yeah.
I think you can do it, right? Doesn't go up that high.
I don't like bumps.
You don't like bumps? Hey, you know what? A real plane goes way higher than that, right?
Good up in the
Yeah.
sky.
So you can do this one. You're gonna be the pilot. There she is. Another one. All right, what's next? Wanna go walk and look?
The train.
The train, okay. Hey, you in the caboose? You're gonna say choo choo. A boot?
A big slurpee.
A big what?
Slurpee.
Slurpee.
Haley is on the swings. Is this her first ride? I mean, second ride?
Third ride.
What other one did she ride?
She's done the airplanes. Oh, no, fourth. So she's done the trains. She did the teacups and this. You want to ride it next? I think you're too tall.
I think I'm too scared.
You're so scared. She's gonna do funny faces every time she comes around. I think it's got her belly. Are you guys doing funny faces at her?
Yeah.
Oh.
She doesn't look at me.
Oh, I'll look at you. Look, I'm looking at you. Haley. I think she likes it.
Come on, Annie, back here. Annie.
She'll never be able to find you back there.
Okay, I want to go get on this ride.
We're going. Kayla's playing hide and seek.
Let's go and hide the slurpee.
Woo! You did awesome.
Hey, you guys went.
They got a drink.
Daddy?
What?
What are you hiding? Haley, what do you want?
I'm not hiding anything.
They're all standing with their hands behind their back. Y'all are so mean. Turn around. Y'all are so mean to her.
Are you looking for this?
What is Slurpee? How did you do that?
Here. Slurpee.
Ew, you're drinking from a shoe.
My boot.
I'm just teasing you.
Dippin' Dots now. Annie is forced ride by herself and it's broken. They're stuck.
They're stuck on the ride?
They're stuck.
What happened?
Getting stuck.
Where was it stuck?
At the end.
Oh, at the end?
At least it wasn't stuck like at the top.
That's what a fox says?
Suddenly you're standing still. Your fur is red, so beautiful, like an angel in the But if you need a friendly home, communicate by
Your daughter says she likes to sit by me because I'm squishy.
Like I'm fluffy, he's squishy. Sing it, Caleb.
It's not icy. That was dirt.
You just drink dirt?
No.
A 1, a 2, a 1, 2, 3, 4. Deck the halls with fluffy bacchus. Fa la 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 la, la 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 la. Climbing on trees and killing with Betty. Fa la 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 la, la 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 la. Running from creepers and slaying. Fa la 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 la, la la la. Training dragons and winning the game. Fa la 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 la, la 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 la. Well, it all started in 1495 when Alexander the Great crossed the ocean. No, wait, dang it. Okay, it all started in 1940. Are you kidding me? It all started in 1940 when Alexander the Great sailed the ocean blue. And what happened that time was we made this beautiful song. And this song went so to the top that Annie said these words here. No, shh.
Sorry.
Oh, sorry. So this
Better
song,
watch it because I'm helping you color.
this song here, it makes me so happy when I sing it to my children. And when I sing this song, I think of flowers in the meadows and pigs and
I
cows
like piggies.
and vines.
So we just got back from a long day of Six Flags, and now it is time to do Caleb's dare for Truth Plus Dare. Today's dare on Truth Plus Dare is the blindfolded taste test. And the things that we have for Caleb are mighty dog. We got some dog food. We got some salmon. Spam, what's that? We got some applesauce. Now what's spam? What's spam?
Spam is canned meat.
Canned meat. Pudding. Okay, so he doesn't. He doesn't know about any of this. That dog food is horrible. But wish him good luck.
Okay, well, it's ready to see what, I was eating.
The final results.
I can't see anything. I'm good. I just, man.
Ready?
Oh, man.
Let him adjust.
Light! Okay, I'm good. Go.
You guessed mayo. It was mayo.
Yes!
You guessed dog biscuit. It was Spam.
What is Spam?
Canned meat.
Okay.
Dog biscuits?
Well,
That has the texture of what you think a dog biscuit would taste like?
well, it was horrible.
Okay.
Was that the worst one?
Oh, yeah.
By far?
I don't know. That last one.
The
Well,
last one? The strawberry syrup one?
You guessed chicken.
yes.
It was dog food. Oh no. Don't spill it.
Wait, I really ate dog food? I spit it out or?
No.
Yes!
Ate it.
I did it, baby!
First you said beans.
Then you said chicken.
Yeah, I'm a dog.
Yes, you are.
Piper said dog food. What? Someone's eating dog food without me?
So at least 1 out of 3 kids prefer dog food over Spam.
Guess so.
food is-
He'd rather eat dog food than Spam. That is
dog
hilarious.
food was
Okay.
kind of good.
Was it better than Spam?
It was better than the last one.
Okay, let's go.
Then the very last one you tried? Oh, okay.
Hey guys, so I'm fixing popcorns with my handy dandy. I don't know what these called. And I'm fixing popcorn, and Annie and I are watching movie night, and you are Billy with me.
Look at that belly.
Look at that belly.
And Mommy and Daddy are gonna get some YouTubing done. And Caleb's gonna watch brush your teeth.
Now it's wrong.
No, it's not. Oh, the dog is taking care of care. And we're just gonna get your handy dandy scissors.
You don't need handy dandy scissors. I'll show you how to do it. Go put the handy dandy scissors away. Carefully, hold them the right way.
And handy dandy, go watch it.
Can I ask you a question though? Why are we wearing high heels and a bag to watch a movie?
Because
She's really serious when she watches movies.
Oh, she's got some books and stuff in her bag.
And what kind of book?
Ow, don't bite me.
Oh, and markers.
A monkey, donkey, monkey. And let's get, no, Annie, don't kiss my tail. You're embarrassing. Okay, let's get back to the popcorn. So it's time for the question of the day. And we got all our popcorn a second. We got these somewhere. Where did we get them? Probably Walmart. Copying Nerdy Nummies.
She's copying Nerdy Nummies?
Yeah, she's telling us her ingredients and telling us where we got everything.
Oh, I'd have never watched Nerdy Nummies.
And we're gonna put them in here. Okay, so here we go.
Everybody sing along! I am a baked potato, baked potato, baked potato.
Thanks for watching Bratayley.